Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Android is updated, and you have a modern keyboard like Gboard or SwiftKey. Open Settings, go to Languages and Input, and enable the Emoji keyboard so the system will show handshape options. Once done, launch a messaging app and tap a text field to bring up the keyboard. This verifies emoji search and long press features are available. Make sure keyboard permissions are allowed, so you can access stickers and emoji panels when needed. Next, search and construct the heart hands effect. In the emoji panel, type heart or hands to reveal combinations and sticker suggestions. Some keyboards include a pre-built heart hand sticker. If a plain emoji doesn't exist, long press related hand emoji to access variants, or use the sticker/store tab to download packs labeled hand hearts. You can also install a keyboard with richer emoji mixes. Once installed, enable it and restart the app to make new heart hands items show up in your suggestions and clipboard. Finally, tap the heart hands emoji or sticker and send the message. Check how it displays on another device because compatibility varies. If it shows as a blank box, update Android or switch to sending it as a sticker image to preserve appearance. If the emoji or sticker panel is missing, clear the keyboard app cache in Settings or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard. This often restores missing assets. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different messaging app to rule out app-specific rendering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.